Oh, it's sunny. Hello. Hey guys, once again welcome back on new video. Hope you already doing great. Sorry guys, I just got a little bit cold, so my voice is like deep, came deep, and yeah, I just recently wake up. I just wake up and brushed up, and then I start video shooting. I haven't take my bath also. Because this is early morning, in the early morning, like feeling good, fresh. So I thought let shoot video, let practice English. And today is a Sunday. Today is my week off on the company. Yesterday also there was week off, and today is also week off. So today I get just time, and I thought let shoot a video. And after a long time, I'm shooting long video. And last time I also uploaded long video. Guys, here you can see in the early morning lot of bird chirping. Now maybe you're audible or not, because I turn it on noise cancellation in my mic. Guys, sorry, I just feel little bit street pain, and little bit cold also. That's why my voice is so deep. But I have to shoot video, otherwise like my channel, what we can say, channel reach will be get down. So today I thought let's shoot a video. This is early morning, and here you can see now lots of cloth hanging by my friends, and someone mine also. And this is early morning. I'm at outside of my room. This is my balcony, and here you can see now in the early morning 2 to 3 auntie come here for cleaning, morning cleaning every day. Yeah, they come every day here. Homesick word. Okay, so what topic I should start? Because I start video randomly, I haven't any topic to talk with you. What should I start? Yeah, why I stopped making funny video? As I mentioned in previous video, it is very hard. I didn't get a single penny time to edit video, to shoot a video. It's take too much time, and very hard to get a time for video editing also. So that's why I stopped. And I want to leave the organization earlier. I want to leave company, because I like to work on myself, but currently my family condition is like that I can't leave private sector currently. That's why I'm not leaving. But after once my family is stable, then I will definitely leave company and go to the native place, and I will work on myself. Yeah, I also say to my father, I don't want to do job for a long time. I want to leave earlier soon as possible the organization, but currently, as I mentioned, family condition, so I have to work for maybe up to 3 year upcoming 3 years, upcoming 3 to 4 years. So let's see what will happen, don't know. But yeah, I will give my 100% always. And I don't know why I am silent, because after a long time shooting long video. And yeah, if I talk about my communication, English communication, so it may be improved as per me. You can see that, listen that. I started YouTube channel in 2 February, to at 2 for on 2 February 2026, and this is 21 June of 2026. Subscriber, not, I didn't get subscriber, but I gained lot of communication tips, communication. I improved lot of improved communication, and gain lot of vocabulary, and I connect with lot of new people, and I learned so many things for to them. And yeah, we can say I can make simple conversation with new people, guys. My hand is paining because after a long time I'm shooting long video. Okay, might be it is up to 10 minutes, 6, 7, 8 minutes. I have to end this video. Otherwise long video people are like to watch. People feeling bothering to see long video. Okay, so bye bye, have a nice day, take care.